This video I'm going to show you how you can cartoon yourself using this an app that's known as toonme. All you need to do, you need to download this app from the Play Store. It is free of charge and also to use. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to open it, and all you just need to do, you need to click here on the first left corner where is written toonme, and here you can find the variety of images that you can use to cartoon yourself. So you just need to choose the photo that you're going to use as your cartoon, like for example this one. So this is how I can cartoon myself using that. Or you can come here, there are variety of images and packages that you can use to cartoon yourself. You can choose from the variety of all the templates that are here. So also it is a payable app. If for example also I can click on this, and all I just need to do, I need to select the photo, for example this photo of me, and I press the forward arrow. So this is how you can use toonme app to cartoon yourself, and it is free of charge. So thank you so much.